In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp email campaign benchmarking. Whether you're new to digital marketing or an experienced pro, understanding and utilizing email benchmarks can be crucial to ensuring your campaigns perform at their best. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already, head over to the Mailchimp website and sign in using your credentials. Once you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where all your Mailchimp activities are organized. Now let's move on to one of the most essential parts of this process, accessing your campaign reports. On the Mailchimp dashboard, locate the Reports tab and click on it. Here you'll find a list of all your email campaigns. From this list, select the specific campaign you wish to analyze. It's helpful to have a focused and targeted approach, so choosing a particular campaign with specific outcomes you're curious about can provide valuable insights. Once you've selected the campaign, it's time to explore the benchmarking data. It's worth noting that benchmarking features are not automatically available for all accounts and campaigns, as they may depend on your specific plan and usage. Assuming that benchmarking is available to you, scroll down to either the Performance or Benchmarking section within the campaign report. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be able to see how your email campaign compares with others run by similar businesses in your industry. This head-to-head comparison can vastly improve your strategic approach and help you understand where your campaigns stand. In analyzing the benchmarking data, you will have access to several common metrics, which we will briefly review now. First, the open rate, which indicates the percentage of recipients who opened your email. This metric is crucial for determining the effectiveness of your subject lines and timing. Next, we have the click rate. This is the percentage of recipients who clicked on one or more links within your email, giving you insight into the engagement level and relevance of your content. Additionally, consider the bounce rate. This represents the percentage of emails that weren't delivered successfully to the recipient's inbox. A high bounce rate might indicate issues with list quality or the need for better segmentation. Lastly, there's the unsubscribe rate, a vital metric indicating the percentage of subscribers who opted out of your email list after receiving a particular campaign. Keeping an eye on this can help you gauge if your content might not be resonating with your audience as intended. By understanding these metrics and how they compare to industry benchmarks, you gain a powerful tool that can guide your future campaigns, helping you to adjust strategies accordingly, develop more compelling content, and ultimately achieve better results. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of email marketing, benchmarking can offer insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more equipped to utilize Mailchimp's benchmarking features effectively.